Hey, today I'm going to be showing you guys how to remove a graphics card from a computer system. So the first thing you want to do is remove these screws here. Not fully, just enough so you can remove the side. This rivet here will help you remove it. There's the inside of the computer system. Graphics card is right there. Now what you need to do, take a screwdriver and unscrew right on the bracket here. There's a screw. Unscrew that carefully without losing the screw, because you will need to put it back in if you're replacing a card. Keep that screw there and grab very carefully, and there's the card. It's the BFG GeForce 6200. It's low end. Let's see, that purple, there's the AGP bus right there. AGP 8 times. That's where I just removed this card from. To put the card back in, carefully align the holes on, or the bracket on this card with the socket in the computer. Bear with me, guys, I'm working one-handed here. And carefully press the card back in until you hear a click, which I just did hear the click. And simply put the screw back in. See? Bear with me. Working one-handed. Alright. Put the screw back in carefully without losing the screw. I'm sure you've got more screws sitting around your house, but just in case, make sure you do not lose this screw. Simply just screw it back in. And return the side of the computer. Carefully. And screw, of course, screw this back on. And that is how you remove a graphics card from a computer system.